We have always had a wonderful investment in student experiential learning around sports. We're looking for ways to help students grow and thrive in this amazing opportunity that we have.
Students are really interested in sports media, sports communications, sports journalism, and we've seen that trend really growing over the last decade or so, where students are coming in really being inspired by our athletic prowess at the University of Oregon and being excited about being part of that. The reality with students who are seeking experiences and faculty who are looking to launch new experiences is that we need funding to be able to do that well.
I see such an important place right now for investment in students to really think about career opportunities, brand responsibility places, and all around sports. We are at the core of this on campus and in the Pacific Northwest, and that investment is so important.
As a photojournalist, I am always seeking out new experiences, and experiential learning is the best possible way for me to learn as a photographer. I was able to utilize those experiential funds to get out to the Iditarod and also cover this huge event as a journalist alongside other professional journalists from professional newspapers. The moments that I've gotten outside into the real world and I'm photographing that I've grown the most by far, no question.
I think it's been the most valuable thing for me here. I mean, getting that hands-on experience is something that people really want, and through Oregon Accelerator, I got to go see Portland Flyer. I also took a trip to Whiting Kennedy. I got to go to Nike HQ, tour that. It was amazing. We sat down with a few people. I don't know, I think these trips really mean something to me, more than just like, oh, I got to go see Nike, or I got to go tour it, or I got to hear from Portland Flyer. Like, no, it's something that really drives me to stay in this industry.
And so they're getting that mix of, I'm excited about sports, and I know that I need to learn how to shoot and write and think and create, and the best mix of that is in the journalism school, right? We want them to experience something new. We want them to meet new people. We want them to see things on the ground in real time. Those things are irreplaceable. Those are the experiences and the opportunities that stick with students and create these spaces and places and networks that allow them to thrive in their careers that they're interested in pursuing.
Sports is such a cultural phenomenon, and it's interesting to see our students and our incoming students be so focused on wanting to be a part of that phenomenon. We are beautifully centered and focused to make sure our students have opportunities that no other colleges or universities can offer.